Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel.
So in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to blend this image and its background into this or this. So we'll be looking at how to blend our image with its background. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's start by picking our image. Okay, good. So place it in the middle. Good. Now we want to blend this. Let's give a background of white. Good. So we want to blend our image with a white background. So we now come to square, the pentagon, pick a shape. Good. After picking the shape, we scroll, we come to color, then we pick gradient, then we come to any of the defaults, pick one, then click on the plus. So now go with the first one here, click on the paint, then reduce the opacity. Good. Now we drag it forward. Okay, we drag it so that the darker part will only take the blend. Good. We hit OK. Good. Now we're good to go. We can turn it this way, and since our background is white, we change what we have here to white. So color and white. Good. So let's scale it. Good. White. So now what we do is we duplicate this. We duplicate it or copy. So we copy, we place, copy, place, copy, place, copy, place, copy, place. Okay, so we can see blend, copy, place, copy, place. Okay, so we can now go back to our workspace and merge together all the blend we made. Good, we merge it. Okay, good, and there we are. Good, so that is it. We have a blend. So we can then again change the background if we want to make the background red. Let's change our blend first to red. Good, let me increase the size. Okay, to red. And here have you, if we want to change our background to red. Good, and we can see. So this is the original image, angle, and this is our blend. Okay, good. So this is the first step of creating a blend effect. The second step, we can also create this by using a sticker. Okay, so stickers, click on stickers, then the shape comes. Good. Okay, we check it. It's white. So what we do is we just duplicate like we did for the first. So we copy and paste. copy. This one is lighter, so it takes more copy. Copy. Oh, sorry. Copy. 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 Okay, then we can merge them. We can merge them again using the same procedure. Then merge. Good. So we've merged it. But because it's very light, we can duplicate this one itself again. So copy. Good. Copy. So we can see the effect. Copy. Copy. Good. Good. And that we have here. We can then merge again. Good. And if we want to change the color to red, then we change our background to good. And there we are. Good. We've created a blend. We've created a blend. So these are the two ways you can blend your image with the background on Pixellab. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more content.